I just want to present a simple logic here, sir. Accusing me of whimsically.
Mr. Chair, General Karamat,
Yes, sir.
we're
Yes,
not
Congressman.
accusing you here. Be careful of your word. We're not accusing you here. We're asking questions, and that is our job. Remember that.
Noted po, Mr. Chairman, sir.
Oh, why are you accusing me? Sama kami rito eh.
Sorry for my word, sir.
Mr. Chair, ang punto po kasi dito, kaya kung bakit seryoso tayo sa issue na to, itong operation sa against Hong Sheng, mababasura na talaga ito, Mr. Chair. Kasi yung mga pulis, yung operatiba, wala na deploy na. Una pa lang salbo nung kaso for further investigation. Doon pa lang, malabo na. Pinagsisibak yung pulis natin, malabo na. Now, ang instruction po ng ating Pangulo, BBM, is banning of POGOs, whether illegal or legal. So, ako po, galing sa PNP. Pag ito ay hindi nabigyan ng attention, yung instruction po ni Pangulong BBM, parang lalambot Matatakot na yung mga pulis, yung mga operatiba. Paano pa sila magtatrabaho?
Andiyan si Colonel Attorney Tomas
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Balmonte. You can ask
Kaya
him.
with respect to Honorable Congressman Barbers, yes, totoo po. Pwede nating skip na itong issue. Pero, malaki po ang epekto nito sa instruction ni PBBM. Banning of POGOs. Kasi nga, bilang retired police, matagal ng practice yan, talagang pag mag-operate ka, makikita mo, ops, delikado yan. Atras yan. So, napakahalaga po nito. And in fairness to General Karamat, sir, sabi po ninyo, prior to operation on February 1, 2023, may nakaambang reassignment na si Colonel Alejandro. Ang tanong ko naman po kay General Karamat, di po ba merong Senior Officers Placement Board, SOPB sa PNP? Tama po ba?
We had independent officers placement board in every unit, sir. And I have my command group, sir. And the transfer.
Okay. General Karamat, sir. Sinasabi po ninyo na prior to said operation, talagang for transfer na si Colonel Alejandro. Ang tanong po, nabanggit mo na meron po kayong independent SOPB. So, na-process po ang transfer niya.
Yes, sir.
So, meron pong SOPB resolution. Tama po ba?
I presume because the order was issued. And as a director of the CIDG, it is my prerogative also to choose my men, sir.
Yes, General Karamat, sir. I agree with you. Powers and prerogatives. Pero siyempre, kung hindi naman i-observe yung SOPB, why not ibasura na lang yan? So, ang tanong ko po, meron po bang board resolution o wala? Kasi po, Mr. Chair, kung totoo po yung sinasabi na hindi pa nagkakandak ng operation, may nakaambang transfer na kay Colonel Alejandro, ang makakasuporta po dito, board resolution. And yung pong powers and prerogative ng commander na katulad nito, nagkandak na operation, may mga kinasuhan, alam natin na pwedeng i-hold commander yung transfer. If ever, na merong board resolution na. So, malaman naman po, Mr. Chair, kung merong board resolution itong reassignment ni Colonel Alejandro, Mr. Chair.
Sir.
Ay, what? Board resolution? Can
Yes,
we
po.
ask General Karamat? General Karamat, meron pang board resolution po.
According to my former command group here, we have a board resolution, sir. And I just want to present a simple logic here, sir. Accusing me of whimsically.
Mr. Chair, General Karamat,
Yes, sir.
we're
Yes,
not
Congressman.
accusing you here. Be careful of your word. We're not accusing you here. We're asking questions, and that is our job. Remember that.
Noted po, Mr. Chairman, sir.
Oh, why are you accusing me? Sama kami rito eh.
Sorry for my word, sir. But
Kaya nga, you be careful of your words.
noted po, sir.
Thank you.
I just want to present
Wait, General
Yes, sir.
Karamat. That goes with us, me as well, the
Yes, sir.
chairman
Yes, sir.
and my co-chair. Actually, naunahan lang ako ni Chairman Akop. I was offended by your words.
I'm sorry, Your Honor,
I was
sir.
really offended.
Yes, sir.
Be careful. We're trying to ferret out the truth because there's an instruction from the President and the Speaker. And the Speaker told us to ferret the truth. And we are doing our job as well as you are. All of us, being a part of this government, we have to do our share. At kung wala kayo sa tama at ando kayo sa mali, pasensyahan po tayo. That is our task. Thank you. Congressman Posita, you can continue.
So, yes, General Karamat, sir, hindi ka namin inaakusahan eh. Yung pong mga tinatanong namin, base na rin po sa sagot ninyo. Na ang sabi po ninyo, prior to operation, talagang subject for reassignment na si Colonel Alejandro. That's why, inaalam po natin kung ito ba ay mayroong board resolution. So, hindi po natin masagot. So, Mr. Chair, pwede po bang i-direct natin ang CIDG to submit resolution if ever na meron nga po, Mr. Chair?
Okay, General Karamat, can you ask the, sino bang na ngayon, si IDG?
General Leo Francisco, sir.
Si Leo Francisco. Is he here? O yung attorney na lang ng abogado? The legal officer, we have invited him. Colonel Tomas Balmonte, are you here? Can you kindly sit down? Can you give us all the documents pertaining to the query of Congressman Busita?
Yes, Your Honors.
Your attorney,
Valmonte, Your Honor.
ano po ang position niyo sa CIDG?
I am the Chief of the Legal Division of the CIDG, Your Honors.
Member po ba kayo ng SOPV?
No, Your Honors.
So, hindi po niya masasagot, Mr. Chair, yung gusto nating itanong sa kanya.
Hindi, ang ano lang natin siguro, with your indulgence, no? Kasi siya yung may hawak ng mga kaso eh. So we can possibly ask, kasi kanina you were asking about the case na baka ma-dismiss.
No, Mr. Chair, ang tinatanong po natin yung board resolution para sa reassignment ni Colonel
PICOD.
Alejandro.
Sa PICOD. PICOD.
Sa CIDG, Mr. Chair, kasi sila po ang nag-relieve eh.
Sige, go ahead. Ano?
We, Your Honors, if I may, we have here the Chief of the ARMD with regard to the issuance of the orders of the personnel.
Okay.
And we can request him to furnish this honorable committee of the
Okay.
necessary resolution.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair. Nandiyan po ba yung chief ng ARMD, CIDG, Mr. Chair?
Yes, good afternoon po, Mr. Chair. I am the current Chief PRMD of CIDG, but the question here is the date of or the year of the assignment of Colonel Alejandro, Mr. Chair, sir, is 2023. I am the new Chief PRMD, and I was only assigned as Chief PRMD on May 8, 2024.
Yes, but Mr. Chair, ikaw po ang isa sa ranking officer sa CIDG, tama po ba? ARMD?
Yes, Mr. Chair, sir.
So, Mr. Chair, pwede po bang mag-submit kayo ng SOPB resolution ng CIDG pertaining to the reassignment of Colonel Alejandro?
Yes, Mr. Chair, sir, we will check the resolution at our office.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair.
Umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon mula sa ating mga netizens. Ayon kay Jose Gomburza, whatever your explanation, napakahirap paniwalaan ang mga sinasabi mo, General Karamat. Pahayag naman ni Gilbert Congan, palusot na naman si General, nakakawalang gana on the part of the PNP. At ito naman ang saloobin mula sa ating kababayan na si Jerry Serino, napakadali lang ng tanong pero bakit trigger na trigger ka, General Karamat? Mga kababayan, feel free to comment below para maglabas ng saloobin sa balitang ito.